10 Best Wine Funnels in 2020 brought to you by Advanced Mixology. A wine funnel is associated with cooking and also contributes much to wine. Let's take a look at the best wine funnels in 2020. Check the links given in the description box below. Cuisinart wine funnel has the best filter. Rabbit Super Aerating decanter system is the most innovative wine funnel in 2020. If you want a wine funnel for gift, VinoTemp Aerating Funnel Set is the best choice. Let's check our top 10 options. At number 10, we have Epic Products Wine Decanting Funnel. With the help of the removable strainer of this, you will have clear and great wine in no time. Franmara Wine Decanter Funnel is at number 9. It is easy to use and great for picnics. At number 8, VinoTemp Aerating Funnel Set. The stand is a great feature of this funnel because it saves the dripped wine from the spout after use. At number 7, we have Wine Enthusiast Aerating Funnel. The funnel is removable and can easily catch the sediments. Plesire de la Cave Steel Funnel with Strainer is at number 6. This nifty little device is designed for 3 purposes: pouring, aerating and decanting, and each task is done superbly. We have Cuisinart Wine Funnel at number 5. This funnel is best known for its extraordinary filter. At number 4, Rabbit Super Aerating Decanter System. The wine funnel looks a bit unconventional compared to the others in the list, but it works great especially in improving the wine's taste. Houdini Wine Decanter with Wine Shower Funnel gets the 3rd position. This set is absolutely terrific because of its affordable price. At number 2, we have Norpro Funnel. The hook on the side makes it easier to transfer wine since you can hold it or hook it to something when pouring. Rabbit Wine Aerator Shower Funnel gets the top position. This device is perfect for the wine drinkers who don't like to wait for hours before they get to enjoy wine. You can buy any of these wine funnels by clicking on the links given in the video description below. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.